Friday, 25th, starting the car about 12:35. Screen is currently working. Going to turn the car off again, see if it comes up. iPhone is connected and working. $1:15, starting the car again. Looks good. I pulled the car out of my driveway. It's about 1:15. Screen is black. Car is running. The white light inside the CD player is white. So that means it's lit. Black screen. Shut car off. Starting it again. Screen remains black. Do not see the Kenwood startup screen. Car is started and running. I'm going to turn off the car again. Starting the car again. Screen is black. The CD LED light is on. And I believe these lights are on the side. It's still lit. Screen is black. Car is running. Driving into a bank parking lot. Screen is still black. Remains black.
Turn left.
Back in the car. It is about 10 minutes to 2. The CD light, LED light is not on. I'm going to start the car. started.
Expand.
The CD
K-band.
LED light, it looks to appear to be on.
Laser. GPS connected.
Yeah, CD light, LED light is wrong, on. The Kenwood is not booting. Black screen. And again, the time is about 10 minutes to 2. Now I'm going to pull out of the bank parking lot. Driving to my next destination. Screen is still black.
Continue straight.
Screen is still black.
In half a mile, exit right. In a quarter of a mile, exit right.
Starting my car. I'm at the Michael's parking lot near Home Depot.
X-band. K-band. K-A-band.
The display is actually coming up.
GPS connected.
It is actually about 2:14, and the display is not black.
K-band.
It came up. Okay, so that's why it's intermittent. Sometimes it's on, sometimes it's not. Now it came up. It's 2:25. Starting the car again, coming from Home Depot.
X-band. K-band. K-A-band.
It's booting again.
Laser. GPS connected.
So that's 3 successes so far today, and a bunch of failures. CD light, of course, it's on. The display is on. Alright, I'm near a Home Depot parking lot. I'm going to start the car to see if the screen remains black or Kenwood will boot. And it's what time is it? It is
X-band. K-band.
2:35
K-band.
in the afternoon.
Laser.
Oh, matter of fact, it did come up. I just saw it when I turned the key.
X-band. K-band. K-A-band.
There it goes. So it did boot.
Laser.
I think this is the
GPS connected.
fourth boots since 11, but I still got black screens. You'll see the other videos. Let's see how long this lasts. It's 2:37, driving home. I plugged in the iPhone 13, so I am driving. Apple Play is being displayed. Let's see how long that lasts. The radio is still on from my drive from the Home Depot parking lot. So it remained on because I'm at home now. Car is in the driveway and the display is working. The big test is going to be when I leave in about 15 minutes to drive from Carmel to Pelham, New York. That will be about a 50-minute drive. So we'll see what happens then. So I'm probably leaving at 3 o'clock. Right now it is 2:45. But this is a continuation. I actually didn't leave the car yet. The screen went black. What's interesting is I went to my iPhone podcast and I hit play and the screen went immediately black. That's very interesting. Now I'm going to shut off the car. Alright, it's 3:13 in the afternoon. Driving from here, which is Carmel, New York, to Pelham, which is about a 45 to 50 minute drive. So now I'm starting the car.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band.
Screen is coming on.
Laser.
GPS
connected.
When I did park the car in the driveway, I did hit the reset button before I went in the house, but the screen has reappeared. Now, again, I'm on my way driving from Carmel to Pelham, New York, 40-50 minute drive. Let's see how long the screen stays up. Just for more information, driving from Carmel to really Mount Vernon, Pelham, New York. Plugged in the phone. I'm going to use Waze to get there. And I'm still, here it is.
In half a mile, turn right.
I'm on my way. And the CarPlay is working. Just for curiosity, I'm going to see what happens when I do my podcast. So I'm going to select the podcast. And I'm just going to hit play.
And Wheezy, okay? We got
the screen did not die.
Podcast with Tank and Jay Valentine. We got the Woman Evolved
All right.
podcast with Sarah Jake Roberts. The Funky Friday podcast with Cam Newton.
Just
the
wanted to double check
podcast
that.
with Carrie Champion. Good Moms Bad Choices podcast. The Trap Nerds podcast and many
It is
more
now
will be on that stage live.
I'm running late. Was it 3:16?
Podcast. We're bringing the black. I mean, it's always been a thing.
I believe the display is going to fail. I'm driving to Pelham from my house, one highway. I tried to raise the volume. As you see, the volume is being displayed, but it doesn't move when I touch the upward arrow. So I believe the display is going to crash. And I will film that when I have to go to a black screen. But right now, I can't raise the volume. I tried to, and as you see, it's just stuck. It does not move. So that's an issue. And again, I think it's gonna fail. It's gonna crash, go to black screen. Let's see how long it takes. Normally I could touch the screen and say still there in Waze. But the touch screen's not working. So when I get a police alert ahead, the touchscreen is not working. Alright, and like I said before, to change the volume, it's frozen, it doesn't go up or down, it's just displayed.
What up, Sans? How are you?
Now I'm thinking, this unit actually might have a memory problem. Either corrupt memory or not enough memory. Bad memory chip. That's what it reminds me of. I was in the computer. Matter of fact, the screen went black. I'm still driving to Pelham. So you saw it live. It just went, as I suspected, it would die, and it did. But again, it reminds me of faulty memory or corrupt memory. Like the whole memory chip has to be replaced. That's what it reminds me of. But the screen is black, or partly black. It didn't take long for it to happen. I guess it took, 10 minutes from the time I left home for it to die. and not function as a touchscreen. I forgot to mention the time. It's 3:33. So I guess this thing happened about the screen died about 3:30 p.m. And today again is Friday. 4/25/25. So looks like nothing was fixed. It's now, I'm still on my drive to Pelham. It's 3:37, still Friday. I hit the reset button, and this is what I'm getting now. So let's see what happens. It's 3:37 p.m. Alright, I'm back. Kind of safe for me to pick up the camera. The touch screen is not working, even though I hit reset. When I try to touch finish on the top right, nothing happens. So the touch screen's not working. I'm gonna try to press reset again to see what happens. I have to put the camera down. It's 3:41. I hit the reset button twice. So the previous screen disappeared. Black screen, like normal, is there. So there's no point hitting the reset button again because it won't work. And the time is 3:42. Still Friday, 4/25/25. Black screen again. I'm close to my destination. It's 4 p.m. Screen is still black. And I'm still, in the car driving to my destination. As you can see, screen is still black. We'll see what happens, when I park the car. What else I'll do is try to park the car, then restart the engine, see if anything changes immediately. So again, now it's about 4:01 p.m. Eastern Time. 6:17. Which is also showing on the display. Apple Play is working. My iPhone 13 is plugged in. The volume switch is working. No, now it isn't. Is it? Yes, it is working. I'm going to play a podcast just to see if it works.
Wow, Trav, tell the truth.
Yes, podcast is working.
Miles, turn right.
It's 6:48.
Chandler from Columbus. How y'all doing this morning?
Morning.
What's up, Chandler?
Podcast is running.
This is my birthday.
Waze is running.
Happy birthday, brother.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna stop at Whole
Turn
Foods.
right.
I'm stopping at Whole Foods.
Happy birthday, brother.
Okay.
Appreciate it. Second off,
6:48.
I better put respect
Everything is
on that
working.
old Miss Qu-
All right, it's 8:50. I'm gonna turn off the car. I paused the podcast. Waze, of course, is stopped because I reached my destination. Now I'm gonna shut off the car. See what happens when I come back out from Whole Foods. Right, it's about 8:44. Finished with the store. I am going to start the car. See if this radio turns on.
X-band.
LED lights are on.
K-A band.
The display is on.
Laser. GPS connected.
So we'll see how long it stays on.
K-band.
Okay. I'm sorry, it's 7:44. We'll see how long the display will remain on my ride home, which is another 35 minutes. So I'm leaving the parking lot now. It's 7:45. I plugged in the phone. Waze is just being displayed. So my ride is actually 47 minutes. So let's see if it stays on.
We're ready to roll. Drive safe.
Volume control works. I'll begin my drive.
And all of that, you know.
Turn left.
It's 8:21.
All of my research.
The screen
and
is
all of
still
that,
working.
You know.
That's right.
We'll see what happens. I'm almost
We're gonna have
home.
to keep the line
We'll see what
moving.
happens.
We can chat for a little bit.
Make
Sure, Mac, go to the back of the line.
So the Kenwood stayed on for the full 40-minute ride. To my house. It didn't go to black screen. I think that's the longest it's been staying on without a black screen. 40 minutes, which is surprising. And the time is 8:25 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, just want to add this part. I'm going to add to the video. This is 1 minute later from my arrival at home. I turned off the car, turned on the car, and I have a black screen. And it's 8:20, about 8:27 p.m. Eastern Time. Car is running. And the screen is black. And again, LED lights are on in the CD slot and on the left. And the screen is black. So now I'm going to turn off the car for good, because I think I have enough video of this stuff today of how this Kenwood radio works and doesn't work. It's Saturday morning, April 26th, starting the car up for the first time for today. LED lights are on. As before, the screen is black. This is what I sent the radio in to repair. It's definitely not repaired. Screen is black. Saturday, April 26th. Now I'm going to drive for about 25 minutes. See if it comes back online, which I doubt. Driving to my destination, still Saturday morning. and the screen is still black. Still black. LED lights still on. Unit not repaired. I believe it's either a storage problem, internal, or it is a corrupted memory, or the memory in this system is just bad. You can't even load. All right, today is again this Saturday. Now I'm on my way back home. It's 12:30 and it's April 26th. I'm going to start the car to see if the Kenwood will work.
X-band, K-band, KA-band.
Car is started.
GPS connected.
Black screen. The unit wasn't fixed. LED lights like before. They still light up. No display. Again, it wasn't repaired. Same issue. Now it's 12:32. I'm gonna start driving home. And it's a 38-minute drive, 31 miles. And again, screen is still black. Wasn't repaired. Let's see what happens on the way home driving. "15 minutes into my drive home. Still Saturday, and it's April 26th. The screen remains black. Same issue that when I sent it in for repairs. Nothing has changed. It's still black. When I had this happen to an Apple iMac, it was the video card that was bad and the memory. So I had to change the video card and the memory to fix a similar issue on a computer. My screen is still black. It wasn't repaired. I'm driving home with a black screen that wasn't fixed. Basically, I completed my drive home. I'm going to pull in the driveway shortly. The screen is still black, just like before when I sent it in for repair. No changes. Screen is still black. As I mentioned before, I had something similar to a Apple iMac, and it was the video card that had to be replaced and memory. Screen is black.
You have reached your destination.
So basically it hasn't been fixed. Just want to point out one more time on the black screen, the LED lights, like before, is on. LED light is on. Screen is black. Screen is black. Not working. No repair made on this issue.